Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Sorry I haven't made a video for the last 2 days. I've been sick. I'm still a little bit sick, but recovering, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Also, Cubic. If you remember in May, when I was in Santorini, Greece, I bought Cubic. I was informed by one of my friends who's a developer, the founder of Quantum, and he believed heavily in Cubic. Cubic is created by the person who created IOTA, who's apparently a tech genius. Cubic is now 36 times our investment. I put in $5,000, so it's now $180,000, and then my team bought more of it, but I'm not sure how much I've accumulated over time. 36 times since that initial buy. Even that $5,000 now $180,000, which is beautiful. It actually reached $7,500 per billion cubic. That $5,000 bought me 36 billion cubic. That is now worth $180,000, which is beautiful. Who bought that? Let me know in the comment section down below if you bought Cubic with me in May when I was in Santorini. Congratulations, everyone. I'm holding it. It's only $250 million market cap. It is quite high, but I'm going to hold it into the bull market because I do trust the founder of Quantum. He's a very genius technical guy, and he called a lot of big runs, and he thinks Cubic is going to be a big one. The creator of IOTA is the founder of Cubic. Be very careful. You have to do your own due diligence, do your own research, not financial information. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know in the comment section who accumulated Cubic. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, look at the overall market. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. I'll keep the video quick. My voice is a little bit still. There's a Black Friday sale apparently for TradingView, which is beautiful. MCRT got a huge sell-off today, but a strong bounce back. It dropped like 12%. Someone, big whale, sold MCRT. I haven't sold any of my MCRT, and I can't believe people are selling MCRT at 0.00, like not even $1, or it's crazy. SMR 4 cents, 4%, FXS up 3%, which is beautiful. Unity up 2%, Ethereum 2%, Meta 1%. The Nasdaq pumping, Microsoft up on the announcement that Sam is going to join Microsoft as the CEO. Sam from OpenAI. So if you followed on the weekend, I was watching it while I was sick. Sam from OpenAI got outed. He was the CEO of OpenAI, ChatGPT. He got outed from ChatGPT, outed from OpenAI as the CEO. He got kicked out on Friday. There was a whole debacle over the weekend. I should have been resting and sleeping more than following OpenAI. But anyway, he got kicked out, and then he got all of OpenAI is quitting. 505 employees signed out of 700 signed that they're quitting if the board doesn't remove the entire board, rehire Sam as the CEO. If they don't, they're all going to move to Microsoft, and Microsoft is up on that announcement. The CEO of Microsoft, Satya, is the one that's organizing and assisting this transition. So Sam is moved over to Microsoft, and that's what caused Microsoft to pump, which I predicted, by the way, which I'm going to show you. I'm Nostradamus incarnate. Bitcoin 37,333. I'm following in this channel that we've been following for a while. It's in the since the 23rd of October, it's in this tight channel and holding. It's never really falling much. No selling pressure. When we zoom out, the main thing, if you've been following my accounts, this is the first Elliott wave, impulse waves up from the bottom, which I called the exact bottom or close to the bottom when I bought at 16K. And then we had this pump. Now we had the ABC correction. Now we started the next Elliott wave count. And this first impulse wave is part of the first wave for Bitcoin, which I expect to take us to 46,943. But we still need to see when this wave corrects. You have to do your own due diligence, your own trades. This is what I'm doing in my trades. I'm currently long on Bitcoin. Still looks like a bull flag to me. Still holding this trend line. 4 hourly. Now let's check on the indicator bots because I've been away for a few days. Let's see if the indicator bots indicate anything. The Crypto Guru bot is still saying blue buy. It's still blue buy from the bottom, which called it beautifully. You get it in the master course, Crypto Master Course. Number 2 in the description. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy down here. Still saying buy. Didn't flip to sell yet, which is beautiful. Volume is increasing. We're watching the volume. As the market unfolds, our goal is to watch the volume. Like I called the top on November 11, 2 years ago, it was because I saw the volume. And whenever the volume is increasing and Bitcoin is increasing, it's good. But when the price of Bitcoin is increasing, but the volume is dropping, that's when we get worried. Bitcoin had a big wick drop just now. Look at that big green volume down here. Volume predicts price, but look at that volume spike. There was 36,187 Bitcoin bought and sold in this 4-hour period, spiking Bitcoin price down. If you haven't taken a long yet on Bitcoin, I would still do it from these major support area here. If you want to be super safe from this major area here is where I would take a strong long. If you want to take more risky trades, then I would open it from here. So you can actually get in on the action. Otherwise, you might miss the whole Bitcoin run if you're not in already. And the take profit is the first wave impulse target. That's the trade for the riskier wave, opening at 36,677, stop loss 36,373, and take profit 46,943. This one here, risk reward 33, with per Bitcoin risking $303 to make $10,231. Risking $303 to make $10,231 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $102,000 profit. With 100x leverage, $1 million profit. For the safer trade, it would open at 35,122, stop loss 34,883, and take profit at the same target. Risk reward 49 times, risking $238 to make $11,821 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $118,000 profit. With 100x leverage, $1.18 million. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Those two trades. But again, if you take the safer trade, you just might miss out on the entire bull market. Like if Bitcoin just randomly pumps out of here, as soon as if the ETF gets approved, it will pump. And what's interesting, Bitcoin doesn't have much pullbacks. Even this little sell-off that just happened, like 1 hour ago, when Bitcoin went from 37,500 down to 36,600, it was a $900 sell-off, instantly got bought back up and volume increased, which is very interesting. Those are the trades I would take on Bitcoin. The rest of the market is pretty much in the green. MCRT had a big sell-off and then a massive bounce back. Google is up. Ethereum, let's go into Ethereum now. 1% up on Ethereum. My trade on Ethereum activated, which is beautiful. Congratulations, anyone that took that trade. The trade on Ethereum activated. The target for Ethereum, since I called this target, by the way, since the start of the fourth impulse wave, $1,400 is when I called this. I've been trading Ethereum since 897 when we started the impulse waves. 1,484. The target for me is 2,200 on the fifth wave before an ABC correction. So Ethereum has a little bit more at 2,200 to go. If you already took that trade, it activated. Look at this. It spiked down, hit my trade open, and now in the profits. Congratulations, anyone that took that trade. If you haven't taken a trade, I would still take, this is a bull flag, I would take this trade now. If you haven't activated a trade on Ethereum, I would do it from major support. Look at that, by the way. It came down, activated my trade, and then bounced, which is beautiful. If you haven't been in a trade on Ethereum, I would do it from major support. This one here, opening at 1915, stop loss 1897, and then take profit at 3,400. But again, you would have to survive this ABC correction. So I would first take profit at the fifth wave, this resistance, and then let the ABC wave correct, which I don't think will correct much, actually, just because there's so much strength on Ethereum and the whole market at the moment. But that's the impulse waves that I'm seeing take place on Ethereum, which, by the way, I'm the best trader in the world. That's why I do this so good. By the way, over on Telegram, I posted this earlier today. Cubic reached 0.000073. Cubic 5,000 per billion. Several hours ago, 7,300 per billion. At 5,000 per billion, it's 36 times or 3,500% my investment since I bought in May 2023, 5 months ago. Congratulations, anyone that bought that. And here you can just see, this is the chat for today while I've been sick. This guy made 1,100 on Solana, $62, $90. And you can just see, be careful of scammers. Everyone see this scammer of making fake calls? Scammers, I won't DM or call anyone. I won't DM or call anyone. There's non-stop fake accounts of me. I'm still sick, so I will try tonight to make a video, which I've done now. And you can see just the chats. This guy made 3,996% on Gala. Congratulations. Beautiful, beautiful trade. 137% on Bitcoin. These are the students inside the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. It says 1,700, but it's actually 9,000 in the main group. 50% on Bitcoin. 41%. Look at the gains of everyone. $87, $692. I'm so glad that I get to help so many of you. And you can just see, everyone's gains and trades. And that was the Bitcoin drop. They're all discussing and talking as the Bitcoin drop. And by the way, I'm still holding my Cubic. Yes, I'm still holding my Cubic. My goal is to hold it into the peak and sell everything at the peak of the bull run. I know there's many people pretending to be me. Don't send money to anyone that's talking to you that pretends to be me. I will never ask you for money. I'll never ask you to, I'll never DM you. This guy 430%, this guy 125%. These are just trades today. And you can see this is the Guru trading community just doing absolutely amazing. This guy made 1,100 on Ethereum. By the way, I'm Nostradamus. This was me on the 15th of the 2nd, 2023. So about 9 months ago. MCFT, Microsoft, this is the biggest bull flag I've ever seen in my 21 years of trading. This was when Microsoft was at $272. Now it's at $320. And it's playing out. Microsoft, the biggest bull. I think this AI ChatGPT narrative is going to explode. How did I know that they're going to join, the team is going to join OpenAI? Somehow predicted that by accident. Okay, thank you for the advice. Get well soon, God willing, eat honey. And the amount of comments I got were amazing. I got hundreds of comments from all of you wishing me well and good health and everything. So thank you very much. Those are my trades on Bitcoin. If you want to trade everything you're seeing down below, this was my call on Doge. Large buy orders coming to Doge. Someone knows something. This was me calling Microsoft. This was the daily gain the other day. By the way, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do in the Guru community, under the video, go down below. If you sign up to Bybit using this link under the video, you get a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. And if you sign up to OKX with that link, you get there's $50,000 of bonuses. If you trade stocks, Bitcoin, and crypto with BingX USA friendly using that link, and you get a $600 bonus on the biggest crypto exchange, which is Binance. And Kabi and the soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo are going to do some big event tomorrow. So make sure to check that out with the Binance Ronaldo NFT. And take the Crypto Master course where you learn how to chart and trade and join the gurus. And once you take the courses, then join the Telegram and join the other gurus inside that Telegram. My Bitcoin trade right now is $28,393, 29,000. It just moved $1,000. $29,400, $29,363 in the profits, $29,350 in the profits. It's fluctuating a lot. This trade is a $233,000 Bitcoin trade. It's 7 Bitcoin, so it's $233,000. In this account, I have 418,990. The account nearing all-time high again. I've got Bitcoin in here, USDT 75K, $45,000 of Uniswap, which is up 4% today. Actually, beautiful. Doge, I've got 42,000, which is up 2% today. I think I'm going to buy more Doge. I think Elon is going to do something with Doge, everyone. I'm buying another $2,000 of Doge. I'll put it at like 7.5 in case there's a pullback. I'll buy 0.75. Actually, I should check out what Doge is going to do because I think Elon is going to have I don't know, my Nostradamus instincts are just picking up. Like I predicted, by the way, who followed my whole Doge prediction at 0.003 back in 2020, who followed that? I think it just looks like, look at this, multiple touches on this resistance, major bottoming formation, big descending triangle that's already broken out. I think Doge is going to pump, and I think Elon is going to announce something that makes it pump. This is just my intuition telling me, just like it did at 0.03 back in the bull market of 2020. I think it was 2002. Who was following me back then when I called Doge at the bottom, bought $50,000 worth of it, and then sold it at 0.75. We went from 0.03 to 0.75 and then sold everything on Saturday Night Live. I can set a buy order for major support on Doge. I'll set the buy order here at 0.077, but I don't think it will come back. That's the only thing, 0.077. But I'm just going to buy it there anyway. Buy Doge at 0.077. I'm buying $2,000 more of Doge. I just want to accumulate more Doge before I have a theory that FXS up 2%. I have a theory that Elon is going to announce something. I'm a bit tired, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know in the comment section who bought Cubic. Congratulations, 36 times your money. $1,000 is now $36,000. $10,000 is $360,000. I put in $5,000 on that cubic, but my team bought more for me, but I don't know how much I've got all up. I have to check. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.